All right, let's get on with the night ride. Obviously, you're not gonna see a ton, but you'll be able to see enough. See what it's like driving this Ford F-150 Platinum 2016 at night. Get a feel for it. Night ride is cool. Gives you an idea what it's like, you know, the heads-up displays, all that stuff. How good the headlights are. The technology, the automatic high beams. I'm pretty sure these lights can aim around corners too. So we're gonna go this way. Let's have some fun, shall we? Nice little adventure. Sounds good. You probably can't see much, but hopefully you can see enough. So we're not in a too well-lit area, but if you can see anything, that is all to the credit of the really bright headlights. Very nice ride.
Come on, hit that subscribe button
If you knew it was good for you, buddy.
Automatic headlights in general, not just the high beams, but the lights themselves. You don't have to flip a switch. You know, that's not too uncommon with newer cars, but it's cool. Very competent V6 turbo. It's got a lot of get up and go, good amount of torque. Sound isn't too bad either. Now we turn on to a dark country road. Not too much visibility, but these headlights really do the job. Make it at least livable, halfway decent. It's almost time for the holidays, so people got their Christmas lights up. Some more Christmas lights. And some more, wow. Maybe you can't see them too good, but that's above average workmanship right there. Nice. I like that green. I like the Christmas green. It's not like a really dark green, not too light either. It's just perfect. It's jolly. They did okay. I mean, anyone puts lights like that on a big tree like that, I think they deserve some credit. It's not an easy task. Feels pretty decent. Pretty smooth ride so far. They definitely made these trucks very luxurious these days. I mean, I can see why trucks are so expensive now, and this one is no exception. I mean, this is like you know, more luxury features than I've seen in like any car. And then combine that with, has a lot of power, very durable. You know, it's very utilitarian. Big truck bed, you can tow stuff. You can probably do a little bit of off-roading if need be. All these things cost money. It's a good engine. EcoBoost is it's a good engine. I'm not gonna complain about EcoBoost. Good turbo. We're just gonna drive like you might drive on a regular work day. I just gave it a little gas, just a little. Get a feel for it. See, sometimes in some circumstances you actually need to step on it if you want to get over to your lane. In which case, this truck can do what you ask it to do. Oh, there's the blind spot monitoring light on the mirror. It's like, hey, someone's right next to you. I don't know if you're gonna change lanes or not, but if you do, it's not my fault, because I warned you. It's not my fault if you hit something, because I told you they were there. Should we get out of here? Nah. We're stuck, we're trapped. It sucks being stuck in a lane. It's like you're first in line, like you're in front of the line of cars, but really that means you're last in line, because you're the last one that gets to move out of the slow lane into the fast lane. It's like you want to be the last person in the line of cars in order to be first in line to get in the good lane. But yep, now you can just get a little taste of what it's like to drive this buggy on the highway at night. Night, 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 night.